As the Director of Marketing and Innovation for India, Satrupa Mujumdar is leading Figaro's next phase of growth in a market where premium cooking oils and health-conscious consumption is gaining a momentum. How are they planning to do that? Let's speak to her and know more. Hi, Satrupa.
Hi, thank you for this lovely introduction and thank you for your question. So Figaro has been relevant in India for last 40 years.
Yes.
It has been embedded in the lifestyle of consumers, and our consumers have come back and said that it has multiple roles in the household. It is taking multiple shapes and forms. And from a trials and early trialist kind of consumption, consumers are now making it more part of day-to-day lifestyle. So from a trialist, it is moved towards absolute planned, adopted category. Having said that, our new campaign is designed to walk across the walks of life that the consumer believes us. The entire Figaro brand is built around the core proposition of how it has evolved over a period of time, playing multiple roles in the households, keeping purity of olive oil as a center stage. The new campaign is a reflection of the same narrative. The new campaign imagines it in a more organic, seamless, in a warm manner, bringing across the familiarity and the versatility of olive oil and the versatility of Figaro multipurpose olive oil. We have Sunil Grover as
Yes.
the actor, as a face for the campaign. It's a phenomenal choice and is the most befitting choice that we have for the brand. Sunil by far has the different way and which is way more superlative in cutting across generations, cutting across different segments, cutting across geographies. He has a typical nuance which is by far phenomenal to how connect with the consumers. He plays roles and characters in a very seamless manner, and that's exactly what Figaro stands for. So, all in all, it's a right confluence between the multi-purpose Figaro and the multi-talented Sunil Grover.
Yeah. So this campaign is coming out at a time where the market currently is very health focused with their food choices. You know, the health consciousness is becoming mainstream. So, what was your business objective when with this campaign?
So, in terms of the objectivity of this campaign, the idea is to dial up on the awareness.
Right.
We want consumers to have a heightened recall on the brand with the core proposition. The core proposition of multi-purpose is reimagined in a much sharper, built around clarity and confidence.
Right.
So that would be the first and foremost objective. Along with that, we expect the campaign to dial up our engagement quotient. It's a very strategic direction to where olive oil is heading, where Figaro intends to, take the business forward. Eventually, we would see that this strategic intervention would actually move the lever towards the penetration for the brand, and we are also expecting better rotations, and will be equated how the brand has been able to seamlessly carry the messaging forward.
Right, right. So the Indian market has a lot of potential, but the olive oil category is a little underpenetrated. So, coming up with a multi-purpose olive oil, what would you say was the biggest challenge for you?
Uh, as you rightly said, olive oil as a category is sub 1% penetration.
Right.
That allows us enough and more room to play. That only means that with the rise of middle class, with the adoption of overall wellness and better for you and best for you movement, consumers are adopting better choices. Consumers in today's life are more informed. They are able to discover brands usage through different formats and different channels altogether. So there is an organic upward swing. Figaro has been there in the country for 40 years. It has been the torchbearer in the category. They have led the category. We have led the category. We have 40% share in the category per se. our endeavor is to build for future, build more consistently, and we will continue to take the lead in building the category for tomorrow.
Yeah. No, was it difficult to break that notion that people have that olive oil is only reserved to salads or what do you say, continental cuisine?
Say for Figaro, there was no such preconceived notion.
Yeah.
Consumers have always integrated Figaro in their life in their own means. Okay,
Right.
they have made Figaro somewhere very personalized and integrated in their daily rituals. For Figaro, it was a very seamless kind of a movement. The multiple role that it plays with the promise of pure olive oil, it talks about the credibility. And given to our quality standards, it only adds into it.
Right.
So for us, we are only sharpening our core in a very new, modern, and contemporary way.
Yes. So today's what do I say, Indian shelves, they also have other premium edible oils option like rice bran oil, there is avocado oil, and very cold pressed variants of oils. So how do you make sure that the consumer chooses Figaro and that too an olive oil brand?
Uh, Consumer have been making a conscious choice. India is very discerning when it comes to evaluating value and quality. Figaro brings it with the promise. Figaro, if when the consumers were not, the awareness of olive oil was very low, have been built over a period through the generational of trust and the word of mouth. It enjoys a different love. Consumers are loyal to the quality that Figaro promises. It has only stood the test of time.
Right.
As we speak, what it connects is the generational love that it has. What is true to Figaro and may not be true to Lot is the heritage that it has, how it has been seamlessly integrated in the households. So for us, we have a loyalist base. The idea is to only dial up and sharpen on it.
So consumers today are much influenced by creators, nutrition experts, chefs. How is your media mix evolving according to that?
Yeah, so we have a very bifurcated infrastructure in retail. We have a general trade, we have an e-commerce, and modern trade. Consumers today are, I would say, spoiled for choice. They are able to discover a brand through, television, through content creators, through platforms. Each of them have a very different role to play.
Right.
While TV can give you the reach and build on the awareness, content creators bring that to life, make it as a part and parcel of your everyday life. For us, content creators play a role in how to modernize the same format. So that is the role that they would take. It's a complete ecosystem altogether. Our idea is to land the messaging, land the narrative of the new imagined Figaro consistently across touch points, also integrating it across our point of sale and also on the e-commerce platform where performance marketing would play a very key role in bringing it alive.
Would you say that digital has become an integral part of advertising for Figaro?
I would say every channel, every vehicle, whether it's television, digital, or performance marketing, has its respective love in the strategies that we have shaped. Our core consumers, a lot of growth is coming from the tier 1, tier 2 cities, where it is important that we have the reach in and build up on the awareness.
Right.
Television allows us to break through that and very effectively. So we are concentrating on television to build on the awareness of the narrative or the multi-purpose proposition. Our content creators in the digital ecosystem would only allow us to build a consistent messaging being landed on and how to make it as an everyday part of life.
Yeah. So this I'm speaking this from my own perspective. I have used Figaro's olive oil even before the quick commerce boom, from the retail markets shelves. But now with the quick commerce, I'm sure that you must have also seen sales spike, since it is readily available to almost everyone, like just through their fingertips. So
Yeah.
what would you say? How much has this increased in retail stores? Are you still seeing a visible growth, or on quick commerce platforms are you seeing a growth?
Yeah. So our general trade, the traditional trade, is 40%, 45% in contribution to our
Right.
business, followed by modern trade, and e-commerce ecosystem is close to about 30%. In terms of the growth, it is galloping to the tune of 35 plus. What we've seen is the growth is fueled by the choice of formats,
Right.
the convenience that it comes to consumers, and also the advent of proliferation of dark stores that the ecosystem brings on the table. As a result, it has enabled the brand to be more accessible and be more wider and more closer to our consumers.
Right. You said that Figaro is increasing its investments and spends all over, so they have a better penetration in India. When it comes to advertising, year on year, how much are you increasing in percentage?
So, without disclosing numbers, we have dialed up our investments 3 times so that we would do on an average yearly basis. As I mentioned, this would be very balanced. This will not be irrespective channel heavy. It is balanced across the medium.
Right.
The core of the entire channel selection has been designed keeping in mind how my audience is consuming content and how Figaro audience is consuming content, how they want to know.
Yeah.
So we have balanced our spends across television, social media, influencer ecosystem, and performance marketing. You'll also find ourselves being more vocal and keeping the narrative more sharper across the general trade ecosystem, where we would take a lead role in deriving the visibility at the point of sale. So for us, it's never a choice between one or the other. We have a very integrated approach to bring alive the core narrative of the brand.
Okay. I saw everything that you said, or whatever was shown in the presentation, that you appointed Sunil Grover so that you have a deeper regional penetration as well. Although the North India remains your strongest market, you are aiming for other regional areas as well. Apart from the penetration and the awareness, what will be the next 3 to 5 looking for the brand?
So we definitely are looking at better awareness and higher recall for the brand. We want consumers to solely register the multi-purpose proposition that we have redesigned for the new India. As I said, it is not a reinvention of the wheel.
Right.
It is what consumer have called it out, the multi-purpose role that Figaro plays. It's same in a way more strengthened and sharpened. Today's consumers looking for transparency. We believe that's a core to us. We have brought about the transparency,
Right.
per se. Coming back to Sunil Grover, he was a very natural fit. By far, the way he is able to cut across multi generations, multi regions, geographies, socio class is phenomenal. The way he portrays each and every role with Ilan is by far superlative. That's exactly what Figaro has been doing, and Figaro has been doing for past 40 years.
Right.
For us, hence Sunil Grover brings in the right confluence to land the messaging not only to the Hindi-speaking priority markets, but also cutting across other geographies.
Right. Thank you so much. That was it from our end, and all the best to Figaro.
Thank you so much. Very nice to meet you, and thank you for this time.
Thank you.
Thank you.